So meditation is possibly one of the most powerful habits you can do. It has these great benefits as improved concentration, attention span, reduce stress and anxiety levels. But what I found was the most important benefit for me was that I could be present in the moment and I could actually enjoy things again. Because before meditation, I would be, for example, sitting outside in nature and I would be overthinking all sorts of stuff. But now I meditated for almost half a year. I was able to just sit there and be mindful. Just I wouldn't think about anything, but just enjoy the present moment very mindfully. I think that is a really, really powerful habit because it gives you the ability to actually enjoy the little moments, little things in life. And that increases my happiness by so much. And I think that is really the most powerful habit of meditation. The most powerful benefits of meditation. It's just a magical superpower almost, meditation, with a great amount of benefits it has, and then the ultimate benefit of being present in the moment. And being present in the moment gives you also the ability to lead better conversations. For example, before I would be like thinking about the conversation while I was having a conversation, like what do I need to say next and that sort of stuff. And now I just am present in the conversation, and I think I have way better conversation skills because of meditation. But I want to share this with you because I was sitting outside in nature today, and I was actually enjoying, and I was being so happy. So I thought, I want this for you, bro. I really want this for you as well. I want to share this superpower to really enjoying life again. And I want to share it with as many people as possible. So, if you want to support a small YouTuber who is spreading the message of self-improvement, scroll down and hit the subscribe button. I hope you learned something.